amount of time there lived a family of pigs, Mother Pig, Father Pig, and their 3 little pigs.
I don't know about little.
You're right. Our pigs are getting bigger every day. And they're messy too. I mean, just look around. This place is starting to look like a pigsty. The little pigs left stuff around all through the house and on the ground. For they were messy as could be, but that's the way pigs are, you see.
I think the time has come for them to leave home.
I agree. When should we tell them?
I think now is as good a time as any.
All right. Pork came in quickly. Yes, Mom? Ham followed a few minutes later.
What? And then finally bacon arrived.
Now, boys, your dad and I feel like it's time for you to leave home. I think you're right.
I suppose so.
All right, party.
Well, it's not always that easy. You'll each need to make a home somewhere.
No probs. And each need to find something to work at.
I guess we will.
We'll manage, I'm sure.
And so Mother and Father Pig sent them on their way, but not before giving each of them a big hug.
So once they kissed them twice, and then they gave them this advice. Whatever in your life you plan, make sure you do the best you can. The 3 little pigs found a place in the forest to build their 3 homes.
There's some straw. That'll do. I'll use that for my home.
Those sticks will be okay for my home.
I'm gonna make a strong home, so I'll use bricks.
The 3 little pigs finally built their homes, and then along came a big bad wolf. He was carrying a big bag, and he licked his lips.
Ha ha, 3 little pigs living nearby, bacon, ham, and pork. They sound delicious. I will start with bacon.
Wolf came to the door, he checked the bag, he packed the fork. Another little wolf had taken, he wanted eggs to go with bacon.
Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I will huff and I will puff and I'll blow your house in.
The straw blew all over the wolf as Bacon ran into Ham's house.
Hot, 2 for the price of 1. I will try Ham's house next.
Now as Wolf came to the door, he checked the bag, he packed the fork. The food he had was short to please, he fancied toasted ham with cheese.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I will huff and I will puff and I will blow your house in.
The sticks flew all over the place as Bacon and Ham ran into Pork's house.
All 3 together in Pork's house. A feast.
Now as the wolf came to the door, he checked the bag, he packed the fork. It isn't hard to get some pork, for pork he brought some applesauce.
Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I will puff and I will puff and I'll blow your house in.
The house of bricks stood firm. The wolf could not believe it.
I cannot believe it.
The wolf and Frosty sounded sweet, and little makes you want
The pig thinks he's pretty smart. Well, I'll show him who's the smartest. I'll climb up to the chimney and slide down into the house, and then there'll be bacon, ham, and pork for dinner. Yum, I can't wait.
The three little pigs heard the wolf climbing up to the roof. Ooh! They heard him climb over the roof to the chimney.
They heard him stop at the chimney, but Pork was looking around and he finally found a big net.
Quick, ham, bacon, hold on to the sides of the net. Stretch it out below the chimney. We'll catch that wolf in it.
Great idea, Pork.
The wolf slid down the chimney and fell straight into the net. Pork took hold of the net and tied up the top.
Oh, Pork, you saved our lives.
In fact, you saved our bacon. But seriously, we have learned our lesson.
Yes, next time we'll do the best we can. Well, that's good, because I want you to do your best to become up with an idea. The wolves were all tied up and how, but what could they do with it now? This wolf was hard and such a cat who want a wolf who's big and bad.
The three little pigs frowned and thought hard. Mom and Dad said we should find something to work at, so perhaps we could make a zoo and put the wolf on track.
Great idea, Ham, but not just an ordinary zoo, something different.
We could specialize in fantastic, incredible animals.
Yeah, fantastic and incredible.
So instead of a zoo, it could be a nature kingdom. And here's what we'll call it. Brilliant! One incredible nature kingdom.
And that's what they did. They worked hard to make it the best nature kingdom, and the wolf became a great attraction.
Mother and Father Pig were happy with their three little pigs' achievements.